Ngiyakuzwa la uyabuza. Wazi every time kunabantu angibanikeza ama-message kudala and bangibuza the very same question, kodwa ngibanikile ama-message. Ngibanikile ama-message bawalalela bathumela abanye abantu. After 4 months bangibuza the same thing. Uyabona ukuthi okay, the time bebalalele le nto le, balalele nje ubumnandi, abayanga in the Bible. So-ke lalela-ke bhuti wami, uthi uJesu sitshela abazalwane bakhiphe i-ring eminweni yabo, akafuni ukubona i-ring yomshado. Athi akayithandi, akafuni ukuyibona. Athi anything which is a jewelry with a color, with a silver color or platinum color or gold, as long which jewelry isuse emzimbeni wakho if you are a child of God. Why? What uJesu? It is because abantwana baka-Israel in Exodus 32 and Exodus chapter 33, uMoses uye entabeni for 40 days ayothatha 10 commandment. After 40 days abantwana baka-Israel batshela u-Aaron ubhuti kaMoses ukuthi hey, uMoses akasabuyi, sekuwamalanga amaningi, mhlawumbe ushonile, siyenzele uThixo lo sizomkhonza. So-ke u-Aaron wathi kubantwana baka-Israel, khiphani ijewelry yenu yonke, amacici nama-chain nama-ring niyalethe la. Then-ke wawabasa emlilweni. Ngale gold leyo u-Aaron wayenza inkomo. Then-ke abantwana ba-Israyeli bathi sesizokhonza inkomo leyo. So uJesu athi ngalelo langa lelo ezulwini uNkulunkulu bekakwatile and all the angels were crying ukuthi why abantwana ba-Israyeli bayenza kanje, kanti uNkulunkulu bakhiphe e-Egypt. Wavula namanzi uNkulunkulu ukuthi bandlule, babonile amanzi avuleka, kodwa mase bangale abasathemba uNkulunkulu, bathi u-Aaron abayenzele inkomo ngamajuwelana. So uJesu athi on that day uNkulunkulu in heaven, he has put and placed a curse on every jewelry in this world. Wathi ke uJesu, that is why uSathane asebenzisa jewelry ukufaka imeya ye-adultery and prostitution. Abosisi bafaka ama-chain and mabafaka ama-chain bagqoka izinto ezizovelisa i-chest yabo, so that kuzovela i-chest yabo nalama-chain abafakile on their neck. uJesu athi that is the spirit of adultery, ukuthi amadoda babone i-chest zabo, so babeka i-chest, uyavula i-chest yakhe ivuleke so that babone nalama-chain. uJesu athi those chain has the spirit of adultery. Wathi uJesu uSathane usebenzisa amacici ukuthi abantu mabafaka amacici amadoda ayabathanda, athanda amantombazana, athanda abafazi kanjalo, because amacici anespiriti sokuthi amadoda athanda abafazi. Balokhu babona ukuthi abafazi labo banamadoda wabo, but because they have rings, earrings, some of the earrings ama-devil worshipper afaka emimeya so that la bantu laba bazothanda amadoda or amadoda abathanda. It's a spirit ehamba amacici lawo, earrings. Wathi-ke uJesu i-wedding ring, ufake i-wedding ring, uyithengile, uma ushada uyinikeza umfundisi, umfundisi uyayithandazela. uJesu athi yena akayibusisi. He's only blessing abantu abashadayo, angeke abusise ijewelry uJesu. Athi because ubaba wakhe uNkulunkulu uyithukile ijewelry yala emhlabeni. So uJesu athi ukuba abafundisi bathandazela abantu mabashada, yena Jesu himself ubusisa abantu abashadayo, not the wedding ring. Athi angeke abusise into leyo ubaba wakhe ayithukile, because uma ubaba wakhe akhulumile. So-ke wathi uJesu, that is why all the false prophets la baya khona bayothatha amandla khona ngokuyenza i-magic ngasesontweni, the miracle, nokuprofetha, nokudeliver abantu. It is because umfundisi uzokubeka isandla ngale sandla asibeka kuwe uma kuthandazela, isandla lesi ufake i-ring la kathi ayothola khona amandla, bamfake i-ring, so that uma beka isandla kuwe uzogula or uzoba delivered or uzomanifesta or uzokhona ukuprofit. It is because i-ring le imnikeza, iyenza ukuthi ayezwe ivoice yamadimoni. Amadimoni akhuluma nabafundisi boPastor Zondo, Bushiri, Alf Lukau. Ubona u-Alf Lukau nabanye baprofeta everyday, baprofeta bathandazela abantu. It is because amadimoni ayenza ukuthi abantu bagule, So wena uma usugula uya esontweni kanti umfundisi walapho uloku usebenzela amadimoni. So amadimoni azokwenza ukuthi uphole ube right, ujabulele isonto leli, uliphakamise uthi umfundisi walapha ungithandazele ngaphola and bengigula. Kanti no, uguliswa amadimoni, upholiswa amadimoni. So uJesu athi all the false prophets sibabona bavele e-TV the whole world who are famous false prophets, bonke laba abenza imihlolo, at is because they have the ring on their fingers, magic ring. uJesu athi abantu abadlala ibhola who are famous in this world, famous abadlala ibhola imanga zabantu who are very very rich, it is because baphuma e-India ukuyothatha ama-ring. Ama-ring lawo abafundisa ukudlala bhola. As long afake i-ring, idimoni liyangena kulo muntu lo adlala ibhola e-professional, kanti ile ring ayifakile iyenza magic. So wathi-ke uJesu abantu abaningi ababamba iloto nabanye abanamabhizinisi bathwele, la bathwele khona babanikeze i-ring or ama-chain. Ama-chain la anezinto, izinto lezi zine-magic yokuthi uma unebhizinisi ibhizinisi yakho izokusebenzela. Uma unamateksi akunamuntu azotshontsha iteksi zakho. It is because ama-chain wakho anenyoka and inyoka le i-protector all your businesses. uJesu akafuni wedding ring, akafuni wedding ring, akayifuni. Uyisuse eminweni yakho because isusa ubungcwele bakho, iletha ispirit sayo, wedding ring.